Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ajibwe Creations and let's have a tour of my living room. Let's start with this corner. Here you can see a wall decor that is DIY made me. Here I have used ropes over hardboard and get it painted by golden and black color, giving it this faded look. Now, for this corner, I have placed a wooden traditional shoe rack. On top of this, there is a lamp with warm light and planters. This glass bottle planter is painted black and decorated with white flowers. Now, coming to this mirror has not just added a decorative touch to my interior but also made this space brighter and larger. This simple round mirror is bought online and then it is decorated with jute and twisted white rope. To fill this empty corner, I tried this decorative piece which is made from jute using glitters and decorative red balls. Coming to this wall, which is main center of attraction of this room, this is an off-white wall with golden patches. Here I have placed my canvas painting. The main purpose of using this painting is to hide my MCD board. This is a magic. Here we didn't use a proper 5-seater or L-shaped sofa. Instead, we used a divan cum bed. This divan can be extended to a king size bed when we have large gatherings or to accommodate our guests. Also, this divan complements my wall very well. Along with this, I have 2 single-seater sofas which completes this look. This teddy and 2 cushions provides more liveliness to my space. To add some greenery, planters are placed on both sides. I have used this wooden floor lamp and rustic chandelier to give warmth and cozy look to this space. This chandelier is bought from local market. To complement my center table, I have bought this planter from Home Center and fill it with original flowers. Coming to my dining area, I have 4 by 4 size dining table and these two cute and trendy chairs. As we are a family of 2 members, me and my husband, so I try to keep things simple and less messy. Also, as I have used some settle colors for my drawing area, so I try to add some bright color to this space through these chairs. Earlier, this wall was a plain white wall, and so I have done little DIY to change that monotonous look. It is done by just using 2 things, that is masking tape and golden paint. That's it. My husband's most favorite stuff in this room is this Harry Potter watch, as he is a big fan of Harry Potter. Now coming to my favorite space, that is this wall, as it has my canvas paintings complemented by these mirror sets.
To give this space more greenier and colorful look, I have placed planters. Along with these planters, there is a mini fountain placed over a tire decorated with fake grasses and stones.
Now let me show you USP of my house, that is my balcony. This is the most favorite place. We can spend hours and hours here. It's not only good for partying, but also for some peaceful and calm hours. First of all, I have placed a green mat. Then here is an artificial grass ball. And 4 hanging planters along with these ball shaped lightings. These 2 hanging coconut fiber liners are not only good looking but are also good growing mediums. They can hold a great deal of water. Moving forward, this is my DIY. It adds more liveliness and positive vibes to this space. Also, I have used this leaf wallpaper. I have also used these artificial leaves to fill this empty space. Here is a set of chair and table for comfortable sitting. These chair and table are bought from local market and cushion covers are bought from Amazon. Here is my another DIY, that is a wine bottle painted with golden color and filled with lights. Down here, these pink planters along with white marble stones makes this balcony more beautiful.
Thank you friends for watching my video. Hope you liked this video. Also let me know in comment box if you like my DIYs. And all the links of online purchase items are mentioned in description box. And please like, share and subscribe my channel.